Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log out from Pinterest. It's a very easy way and is the fastest way among all the apps that I've tried because it doesn't ask you for the verification if you really want to log in, it just logs you off. I'm using iPhone now, but you can do it or it's perfectly doable on any other device. First of all, we want to go to the bottom right corner where our saved option is. And as you can see on top right corner, there's this little hexagon. Now, what we are going to do, as you can see, you can add an account or you can log out. This action is really just too fast. And let's try it. We press log out, and as you can see, no verification question, just basically log out. We can log in back again with Facebook, Google, or with Apple. As you can see in previous videos, I've already done it and covered it, so I can use it, the Apple, to just log in. And as you can see, we are back. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and